Right now, you're probably spending more time chasing leads than actually closing them. You're posting, you're prospecting, you're trying to stay consistent, but the results just aren't where you want them to be. And the worst part, you're not even sure what's working anymore. By the end of this video, that all changes. I'm gonna walk you through the complete AI-powered lead generation system step by step so that you walk away with total clarity and know exactly what to do, how to do it, and most importantly, how to start generating consistent qualified leads without feeling like you're glued to your phone or your computer all day long. This isn't just theory, these are real tools, real prompts, and a system you can apply immediately even if you're not techie. So let's get into it. Most realtors are burnt out from grinding. Cold calling is becoming less effective, paid ads are more expensive, and even email open rates are dropping. Why? Because the consumer has changed. Buyers and sellers are smarter. They're researching before they reach out. They expect instant value and they want to connect with someone who already feels like an expert, but that's where AI gives you an edge. You don't need to chase anymore. You build a system that attracts leads, nurtures them, and books appointments automatically. So let's walk through step by step exactly how to do that. Step 1, create content that attracts. Use this AI-powered prompt. Act as a content strategist for a realtor targeting relocation buyers in your city. Based on current market trends, generate 3 SEO optimized YouTube titles with high search intent, 3 short form Instagram reel scripts under 60 seconds with strong hooks, and Instagram carousel copy with 5 slides, each focused on education and call to actions. Ensure everything includes value-based positioning, emotional appeal, and localized references. This eliminates the guesswork and creates scroll-stopping searchable content that positions you as the go-to expert. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is put in this prompt here in order to get our content strategy specific for targeting relocation buyers to, for example, Austin. And as you can see here, we requested 3 SEO optimized YouTube titles with high search intent, 3 short form Instagram reels with strong hooks in order to stop the scroll and get people to click on your videos, and then also some carousel copy because these are gonna be between reels and carousels what also ranks now on Google. So let's take a look at this and you can see how simple it could be in order to start to build your strategy specific to your market and your niche. We have our SEO optimized YouTube titles, high search intent, and localized. So why now is the time to move to Austin, right? Buyer's market breakdown, relocating to Austin, how to leverage the 70% jump in listings, and California to Austin, because these are gonna be where the majority of people are migrating from. Now, when it comes to our reel scripts, you can see here, thinking of moving to Austin, right? That's gonna be a keyword that's going to potentially show up and rank on Google. We have from California, and then we also have the relocation buyers winning deals. So all of these are designed based on data in order to get in front of your ideal customers and clients. And then we have our carousel copy. And this is really powerful because the 3 types of posts that get indexed now on Google means your Instagram post can rank for free on Google is going to be reels, carousels, and static images with the heaviest weight on reels and carousels. So as you can see here, we have an entire carousel. And if you want to, you're able to even build this out in Gamma, which is something that I'm gonna show next in the following prompt. Step 2, lead magnet system. Use this prompt. Create a detailed lead magnet for homeowners in your city, titled 7 Things You Must Do Before Listing Your Home. Structure it as a checklist with actionable steps, context, and a soft call to action to book a home value call. Make sure the tone is authoritative, yet easy to follow. You can build this in under 15 minutes and use it for months to capture seller leads on autopilot. Now in this next prompt, we're going to build out a lead magnet using a platform called Gamma, and I'm also going to show you, going back to prompt number 1, how you can also design that Instagram carousel within seconds. So let's look at the detailed lead magnet here for homeowners in Austin. So 7 things you must do before listing your home in Austin. So we have a couple critical points here, right? Getting a professional pre-listing inspection, decluttering, boost curb appeal, stage your home strategically, professional photos, know your market conditions, and then partnering with you as the local proven agent. Now, one of the things we need to do is build it out, right? So all that you need to do here is come in and ask, build it or create this in a format, slide by slide, that I can put into Gamma. And so what this is going to do is it's going to format it properly that is easy to copy and paste and put it into Gamma. And I'm going to show you how you can create this lead magnet in a matter of seconds, but also going back to prompt number 1, how you can create Instagram carousels using the exact same strategy. So all that we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this entire thing. And then we're going to come over and we're going to put it into something called Gamma. And the website is Gamma.app. So we have here all of the slides, and it just is about to finish up here with slide 10. And this is going to be the call to action, because if you don't call the action, no action gets taken. So let's go ahead and open up Gamma, and then we're going to come to create new, and we're going to paste in the text. Now there's 2 different options here. As you can see on the right-hand side, if you were to paste this in right now, it would actually create an Instagram carousel of that exact post. So you could go back and do that for prompt number 1. But if we come to the presentation, this is going to create a lead magnet. You also can follow my videos where I show you how to use this for creating listing presentations. We're going to generate from notes, and then you're going to see that it's going to format it slide by slide in these different sections. And what we want, knowing that this is a lead magnet, is we want it detailed. If we were doing a carousel, we would want it to be concise, more image friendly. And then one of the things that's a little trick that I always like to do is say professional, realistic, and specific to Austin real estate or your market real estate. Now the reason being is that all of these images are going to be created by AI. And if you don't, sometimes the AI images are kind of futuristic and a little weird looking, and it doesn't align with your brand. But you're going to see all of these are dialed. So now all you have to do is select something that aligns with your brand. Maybe if we come down here, your brand is a little bit more like this one, Gleam. Or maybe it's something more like, if we come to a light theme, or maybe a professional theme, it's gonna be more something like terracotta. So let's go ahead, kind of like this one, and we're gonna generate it. And you're gonna see that in a matter of seconds, it's gonna create this entire lead magnet for us, and it's gonna be built and designed based on the brand. Now, in my program, the AI Agent Accelerator, I also show you how you can create your personal brand and then upload your personal brand assets into here. So everything you create is hyper specific to your brand, your design language, and everything. So it looks a cut above anything else. That's inside, again, the AI Agent Accelerator and all of the training that you need when it comes to AI. So you're gonna see here that this is getting built out in real time. And within a matter of 60 seconds, all of the images are going to be realistic, related to our market, and are going to align with our personal brand. And now we've just created an incredibly valuable lead magnet that homeowners are going to want to download because we provided value first. So we come back here, you can see, here's a nice image of a home like Austin. We could see pre-listing inspection with an inspector looking at an electric panel. And all of the images are going to be, right, before, after, all of the images are hyper specific to what is talked about on each slide. Step 3, automated nurture sequence. Use this prompt, write a 10-day follow-up sequence for buyer leads in your city who downloaded the relocation guide. Each email and SMS should address specific FAQ, reinforce credibility, and include a call to action to schedule a call. Keep the tone friendly, confident, and mobile optimized. This helps you stay top of mind and move cold leads into warm conversations without lifting a finger. Now let's say you're running Facebook ads or creating content for those relocation buyers. Following prompt number 1, how do we actually convert the leads we get into clients? Well, that's going to be done using this prompt here, which is the professional 10-day follow-up sequence for buyer leads who downloaded a relocation guide, which again can be created in seconds using Gamma. So what we want to do is address specific concerns about relocating. We want to reinforce credibility and local market knowledge, and make sure that we include a call to action. So this is going to be formatted in a way that has the email subject that's going to get high open rates, and it's also going to lead with value, but tap into the psychology of a relocation buyer that is going to be, again, something they want to read. They want to open it because it's actually valuable. It's not this salesy, pitchy, solicity type piece of content. So now we have a welcome email. Right? Then we have, right, based on downloading the relocation guide, then we have common concerns, right? Where should I live? Provide value. That's what a buyer would be asking, right? I want to move there, but where? Then we have reinforce market expertise. So what's actually happening? This positions you as the local authority and credibility. Cost of living breakdown and family and school considerations, lifestyle and local feel, home search strategy, timeline and moving logistics, objection handling, right? I'm not ready yet. That's one of the common ones you'll get from a buyer. And then also a final call to action and a soft close. So this 10-day sequence is designed psychologically to be exactly the responses to what a buyer would be looking for. Step 4, conversion content. Use this prompt. Write a 60-second short form video script for a realtor in your city, targeting first-time home buyers. Topic: 3 biggest mistakes buyers are making in 2025. The script should include a powerful hook, 3 punchy mistakes, and a call to action to DM guide for a free checklist for first-time home buyers. Use a direct, energetic tone that builds urgency. These videos are what turn views into DMs and DMs into clients. Now, short form content is one of the best ways to not just build your brand, but also generate consistent free leads. And you'll see here that this prompt is going to be designed to, again, address the common concerns. And when you address the exact concerns that a potential client is searching for, then that gives you the opportunity to rank on different platforms like Instagram, Google, YouTube, and the like, and thus generate leads. So when we start to run this is going to be a short form video script, and you can use this for getting in front of the right niche. In this situation or instance, it's going to be first-time home buyers, right? First-time home buyers in Austin keep making these 3 mistakes, and it's costing them thousands. That's going to stop the scroll because no first-time home buyer wants to waste thousands of dollars. Mistake number 1, mistake number 2, mistake number 3, and a call to action where you can download, again, a home buyer checklist, which can be easily created in Gamma. So when we look at this, you can also format it in, if you want, format it in a carousel. And it's gonna guide you step by step. We could take the carousel, we could paste it into Gamma, and now you've got a reel and a carousel, both optimized in order to potentially rank on Google. Step 5, retargeting and smart ads. Use this prompt. Create a Facebook ad campaign for a realtor in your city, offering a custom list of homes under a specific price point. Include a headline optimized for clicks, a scroll-stopping caption with emotional urgency, an ad image concept that evokes lifestyle or affordability, and a call to action that drives opt-ins. The tone should be confident, friendly, and market-aware. These ads re-engage viewers to drive predictable lead flow daily. So now we're gonna create this Facebook ad because this is gonna pull everything together in order to get in front of buyers. So we've got the relocation checklist for relocation buyers, but this is gonna be really good for local buyers in order to get consistent free leads with the organic content, but now introducing a paid ad strategy. So let's go ahead and run this for what is historically going to be the best ad for generating consistent free leads, a custom list of homes under a certain price point, or a list of new construction opportunities. And this is going to be designed to give you the exact headline. You also have the caption, and then you have the ad creative. Now, the cool part about this is we can actually create that image. So what we're going to do is just copy and paste this, and I don't like to have the text overlay, so we're going to create an image. So create an image for the following. And what I would typically say is a modern home in Austin, Texas, around 600,000 with no additional text. And now that it's going to create this image, we can have the entire Facebook ad ready to create, even with a perfect image that's going to align with the entire market. So you don't have to go search for listings or search for other properties to run the ad on. You can use a custom AI image hyper specific to what we're looking for. And as you're gonna see here, within about 30 seconds, it's gonna create that image. And now I even have free videos that show you how to create the Facebook ad on my channel, but this is gonna walk you through step by step. So with that being said, now what we've done is we've covered the organic side, the follow-up side, the lead magnet, and the paid ad side in order to target your ideal clients, entirely built out using artificial intelligence. So you can see here, the image is starting to process. It does take a moment, but pretty much everything is done. And it's all done by using the right prompts. Now, this is why understanding how to prompt is so critical, because written communication, which is all the prompting is the most important skill if you want to capitalize on leveraging artificial intelligence. So looking here, we're gonna see a beautiful modern property that aligns with the price point in the exact market, and then we can download this image and use it for our Facebook ad. This system isn't just hype, it's built around how people actually behave today. Consumers want instant value. They want to feel like you understand them before they even fill out a form, and that's why this system works in any market. Luxury, entry level, low inventory, or rising rates, because it's built around value, not volume. You don't need to hustle harder, you need a smarter strategy, and that's what AI gives you. Everything I just walked through, it's already done for you inside the AI Agent Accelerator. You'll get 13 custom GPTs built specifically for realtors, the exact prompts to achieve every critical outcome you need to scale your business and generate more leads in less time, workflows, also monthly calls, but most importantly, it's updated every single month so that you always have the best strategies and you get lifetime access, because AI is moving fast and you need to make sure that you stay ahead. Now, the best part is everything is a step-by-step, click-by-click video tutorial so you can follow along even if you're not techie. The result? You stop chasing leads, you build a predictable pipeline, and you scale your business without burning out. Over 1,000 agents are already using it, now it's your turn. And if you're ready to build an AI lead machine, click the link in the description or the pinned comment, and let's do it together. If you want to learn how to create the #1 video that generates consistent seller leads, then you need to watch this next video where I walk you through step-by-step exactly how to use free AI tools to create a powerful data-driven market update video that has helped agents just like you generate over 50 seller leads in 1 month.